Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be honest with you because if there's one thing that I love when it comes to trading is transparency. So listen to me and listen carefully to what I'm gonna say, okay, guys? And I'm gonna show you also, okay? So if there's one thing I love is transparency when it comes to trading, because if you're about to do something or you're about to introduce something to people, make sure that you give them the full detail and make them understand that whatever that they're getting themselves into is gonna be the following. Okay, so I think this video is directed to prop firms now, guys. Okay, so it's very good to be trading prop firms because imagine paying only $100 to get 15,000. Okay, but the dark truth that they're not telling is that you are not actually getting 15,000 to trade with. Okay, the amount that you are getting for that $100 is the 750 daily loss limit and the 1,500 max loss limit. That's the amount that you are getting, and I think that issue need to be addressed because that 15,000 is just there to help you have a lot of free margin so that you can open larger positions. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Prop firm that I'm using, that I just bought my account with. So as you can see, I'm fully registered. Okay, so as you can see there, I have a two-phase challenge or two-phase assessment going on. Okay, so I want to show you what I was talking about there. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still on the phase one, but I'm done with this phase one because I've actually reached my targets. Okay, so that was my highest watermark there. As you can see, my equity now, and then the daily loss limit none, and then the max loss limit none. So this is where I want us to focus. Okay, the reason why my daily loss limit is increased to 830 there, guys, is because I'm in profit. Okay, I've made a lot of profit. Okay, they increase a little bit of the one that they give, because you can see you can only lose 5% of the previous day balance. Okay, calculated on that. Okay, so which means that when I reach 15,767, I'm gonna breach the loss of this account. Same goes for, like, if I don't lose it all at the same day, but I manage to lose the amount of like 1,500 while trading this account, I'm gonna be losing the initial balance of like 10%, and then they're gonna take this account, which means that whatever I was telling you, that it's not like they're giving you 15,000 to trade with, they are giving you 1,500 to trade with. Okay, which means that also in a day you don't have to lose half of that 1,500. Okay, you can't lose half of that 1,500 in a day, you have to lose less. Okay, then passing is easy, guys. You just need that max loss limit there. As you can see, you just need 1,500, and then that's your passing level. Okay, so the reason why I haven't jumped into the next stage is because they also need you to trade the minimum of 5 days, and then I only traded 3 days. But rather than that, everything is well, guys. As you can see, those are the trades that I took, and my winning rate there is perfect. Okay, I have a perfect winning rate, which means that all is well for me. All I need, guys, is the numbers of days traded there, which is 5 days. Okay, but they don't want to be honest with you that we are only giving you 1,500 to trade with. If you breach that 1,500, then the account is taken. They won't say no, you can go to 2,000 and 2,500. No, they don't do that, guys. But since this was just a challenge, why don't they allow you to go all the way with that money and start being strict to you when you are trading a funded account? That's what I want to know, guys. Okay, but we can agree to disagree, but what I think is the fact that they were supposed to be giving you guys more than they are showing you there on your max loss limit. Okay, I know they want you to practice discipline, they want you to prove that you can be profitable, but the way that I see this thing, guys, okay, when we come to the bottom line, is the fact that they're only giving you 1,500 on that $15,000 that they're telling you about, which means that the rest of the amount or the rest of the equity is just there to help you open a larger account, which is also kind of sketchy, because if you are not well aware, you can open a bigger lot size, and then that bigger lot size, it can still be your downfall again. Okay, so tell me what you think, guys. Tell me what you think.